morning, Mildred.
Yes.
Don't worry about anything else. Just follow that purple line. Gotta get pretty close to those rocks. Splashing white water. Well, that's where we're supposed to be. Of course, on the purple line. Purple line? Okay.
It's great.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? We're going to get so close to all these rocks and white water. Yeah, sure would hate to lose an engine right now.
I get out here. I'm a sailor.
You're already a sailor, baby. You're almost through it. I think you got it made now. I think that was through the worst part. Okay, baby. I think you did a great job. Mildred's now bringing us out of Kynsna. We've just passed these big rocks that we showed you on the way in. Have a little bit bigger waves than when we came here. As you can see. But we're doing okay. Main thing now is we can't hit this inner breaker wall that's over here. See where all these waves break in, so there's rocks underneath them. Like you can see some of the rocks over here. But we're doing good. As long as we don't lose our engine, we're doing good.
There's a mold outside.
Say hello.